bureaus don't want you to know. Revealing the secrets. 5 secrets the credit bureaus don't want you to know. Revealing the secrets one at a time. Welcome. You made the first move by getting this CD. In this informative CD, we will teach you the 5 most important things the credit bureaus don't want you, the consumer, to know. Do you really want to be in the same place 6 months from now with your credit profile, or do you really want to get your life back? The time is now to stand up and take charge of your life. So let's get started. Who are the credit bureaus? First, the so-called Big 3 consumer reporting agencies with which most Americans are familiar are Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. These are not government-sanctioned franchises. They now dominate as the main credit bureaus. A credit bureau is a company that collects information from various sources and provides consumer credit information on individual consumers for a variety of uses. They get paid to put this information on your credit report. They are not paid to validate the information. The FCRA, Fair Credit Reporting Act, is a federal law that details how consumer information can be collected, given out, and used. Our main focus is to reveal to you the 5 secrets the credit bureaus don't want you to know. We reveal this information to you free of charge. Once you go through each of the 5 secrets, you will understand what and why the credit bureaus don't want you to know this crucial information. Secret number 1. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that when they reinsert a negative item back on your credit report that they have previously taken off, they have 5 business days to notify you in writing. Failure to notify you, the credit bureaus will be liable under the FCRA Fair Credit Reporting Act Part A 5BII. You can sue the credit bureaus and be compensated $1,000 for the credit bureaus violating the FCRA. Secret number 2. The credit bureaus don't want you, the consumer, to know that if they fail to respond to your written disputes within 30 days, a 15-day extension may be granted if they receive information from the creditor within the first 30 days. You, the consumer, are protected under the Fair Credit Reporting Act. FCRA Section 611 Part A1. You can be compensated $1,000 for the credit bureaus failing to do their job. Secret number 3. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that if they refuse to correct information after you've already provided proof to them, this is considered defamation of character and willful injury. The FCRA Section 623 protects you, the consumer. On June 9th, 1997, Cushman versus TransUnion won in the Court of Appeals. To determine how much you can be compensated is deemed by the courts. The courts will evaluate the extent of the damages. Secret number 4. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that you can view your credit report online for free every day if you wish. You need to get first a copy of all 3 of your credit reports from www.annualcreditreport.com. Look at the top of Experian and Equifax. There will be a confirmation number or a report number. Go to the websites of Equifax and Experian, scroll to the bottom. There you will see either review report again or dispute items, and follow the links. You can view these reports as many times as you want, and you can save money by not signing up for a monitoring service. Secret number 5. The credit bureaus don't want you to know that you, the consumer, have rights. They, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, want you to think they control everything. They, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, they want you to think that everything they put on your credit report is accurate. Actually, over 79% of the information on your credit report is inaccurate. You, the consumer, have the right to dispute anything on your credit report that you feel is inaccurate. Now what? Now what do? You've learned the secrets. What do you do next? If you feel that your rights have been violated, you need to contact legal advice.